Hi guys, and welcome back to the workshop and the continuation of the Mystic build. When I left it, I was going to get on with the flaps and the ailerons, and I have. So let's have a look at the workbench and see exactly where I've got to. Looking at the wing, here are the flaps. You can see that hinged, as is the aileron, hinged as well. Now, rather than using the Robarts I was going to use for the flaps, what I've done is I've used flat hinges for the flaps. See, they're mounted on the edge of the bolster, on the false trailing edge of the wing, and see the leading edge of the flap. And the ailerons here are mounted using Robarts. I'll look at that in more detail. So here's the other flap, and you can see there where the slots are cut. And let me just zoom in a bit, see it a bit clearer. There you can see the slots cut in the edge to take the hinge, and cut back slightly for the actual hinge itself. And these are the hinges here that I'm using. Those ones there, flat hinges. Get in focus there. Whereas for the ailerons, what I've done there, because I'm using Robarts, you'll see there that I've had to cut out a notch to take the Robarts, because they fit in like so. You can see the hinge point is back from the front edge there. Again, if I zoom in on that, you can see what I mean. Just pull that pin out, and once again on there, another point, I've had to trim the Robart back a bit there, because otherwise they would just be too long and poke out the skin of the aileron. So, awkward with one hand. Let me get it focused. That pushes in. I'll come back in focus in a minute. Like so. And then it operates. There you can see the pin below the surface. Below there. There's the pin along that line. And that rotates about that point. And obviously then goes back into holes in the wing here and here. So that's the flappy bits done. The other thing that I have finished off, bar final sanding, are the wing tips there. I've just rounded them off slightly, not overdone it there. So good to go. So all I've got to do now is join the wings together, the wing halves together. I'll use Gorilla Glue to glue them together here. Put a hole through the surface of the wing for the cables, the servo cables, to come through. So Gorilla Glue, join together. Once that's set, I'll then apply the bandage to the wing. I do need to extend the wing out here, because the fuselage goes to there, and obviously what I don't want is a step back there. So still to be done, that little bit, but I'll probably join the wings together first, then put the balsa on before I put the bandage right the way round. Okay, there we have it. in the workshop. To move this beast out of the way. This is my Great Plains Giant Revolver 50cc. Originally it was powered with a DLE 55 in it, but then I changed that last year to a laser 310 flat twin. You can just see it in there. Lovely engine, glow of course, and again another ode to laser. Why the hell they've had to pack up, who knows, but a beautiful engine. It flies really well, and I must take a video of this flying because you wouldn't believe the performance from a glow engine is on par with the performance that I got from the DLE. Yeah, I'll save that for another video. I'll not save it, I will do another video of that when I'm flying that should be in the course of the next week or two. Well, that was the short video of showing where I've got to. I haven't fallen asleep on the project. I'm still progressing it. Fiddly bits done with the exception of a bit of sanding, and then I'll be able to join the wings together, and that'll be the wing completed, and then back onto the fuselage. So we are progressing, and I need to progress because there's another plane about to land very shortly, another kit to build very shortly, but more on that later. Anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please like this video if you do like it, of course. Put comments down below as per normal and I'll get back to you. Anyway, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Cheers.